Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Ford F150 key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This quick task is straightforward and should only take a few minutes to complete, getting your key fob back in action efficiently. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components during this step. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery. Take your new battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.